If you're a beginner, maybe looking for some Forex training or Forex tools that you can use and you have absolutely no idea how to get started trading Forex, then I want to give you some information in this video that's going to help you get started. Yeah, hey there, my name is Paul Wilson from freedomtraderpro.com, and in this video I want to give you everything that you need to help you get started trading Forex. Because, you know, when I started out, there's a whole ton of information out there, most of which is way too advanced for somebody just starting out. I mean, I literally spent 400 euros, a couple of years ago now, I spent 400 euros on a course that was supposed to be teaching me Forex, but even that was way too advanced. It went straight into the charts and how you can kind of, you know, read the charts to start trading, etc. And I just had no idea what this was about, how I could kind of take that information and how I could realistically use it to make money. And it wasn't until I came across some training, I came across a system around 4 months ago now that basically took me from the very basics, what a pip is, what a candlestick is, how you can basically put on a basic trade, all this kind of stuff that I just couldn't find anywhere else, or certainly not in a structured way that was going to enable me to kind of get started in this business. Now, maybe this is where you're at right now. Maybe you're looking for some training, maybe you're looking for some tools that are going to help you, maybe you're looking for some signals that you can actually take and put onto those trades. Now, whatever it is that you're looking for, the system that I decided to join that had all this training actually had a lot of other things that really helped me to learn Forex and actually helped me to move forward in my business. Now, I'm not claiming to be any professional trader. I'm not claiming to be able to read the charts and do all this stuff, but I know enough, or I've learned enough of the basics to be able to basically use the tools that this company gives me in order to read read certain aspects of the charts, put trades on, actually take signals from the company also, and actually put those trades on to actually start making money with Forex. So if you're at maybe a real basic level, maybe you have no idea what to look for, what to or how to even get started in this business. I'm kind of starting to ramble a little bit, but if you've just got no idea whatsoever, I want you to head over to freedomtraderpro.com and actually take a look at that training over there, take a look at what that has and what that can do for you. The link's going to be in the description also, but as I say, it's got all the training that you need, all the tools that you need, basically everything that you need to take you from newbie to get you up and running to professional, and all the tools and training and everything that you need along the way so that you can literally start trading over the next couple of days once you've got your head round the basics and once you've got your head round the tools. So as I say, everything that you need is over there. So head over to freedomtraderpro.com, have a look at the training that is over there, hit me up any questions, and I'll talk to you guys again real soon. Take care.